Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel, the Gerald Moses channel. Today I'm having a new video showing you how to buy Bitcoin on the Yellowcard app in Uganda while using mobile money. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide, the easiest step-by-step guide on how to buy Bitcoin. Right now Bitcoin is trading around 49,000 US dollars to 50,000 US dollars. So let me show you briefly and what Yellowcard is from the website. Yellowcard is a new exchange in Uganda that helps us buy and sell Bitcoin. So if you go to the website, it's yellowcard.io/Uganda, since I'm in Uganda. So buy and sell crypto in Uganda. Buy and sell Bitcoin with bank transfer online nationwide. Yellowcard offers multiple payment options, low fees and highly competitive rates. So the options we have, we can use the bank or we can use mobile money. So they have an app on App Store and also on Google Play Store. So the safest Bitcoin exchange in Uganda. Here is why we are trusted by many as the best Bitcoin exchange in Uganda. Ease of use. I'm going to show you how really easy it is to use the Yellowcard app. Buy, sell or store Bitcoin with ease. All transactions are completed without delay. I'm going to show you how quick that is. Simply sign up and start trading anywhere in Uganda. Our rates are attractive and with no hidden fees. I'll give you the link below to sign up if you're in Uganda or in one of the supported places in Africa. So awesome customer support. I'll not talk about that. Obviously it's awesome. Our customer support team is readily available 24/7. It's also secure. So that's a brief of what Yellowcard is. Maybe I can show you the supported countries down here as I scroll. The supported countries in Africa, we have Cameroon, Kenya, Nigeria, South Africa, Botswana, Rwanda, United States, Tanzania, Ghana, Zambia, Uganda and Gabon. So that's it. So we go back to our Yellow app. Here we are. I have currently, as you can see, I have 0.004 Bitcoins. So when you want to buy Bitcoins, you first have to deposit money from mobile money to your Yellowcard app. So you click on deposit. So there are two options, bank transfer and mobile money transfer. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use mobile money, which has a fee of, as you can see, the fee. So click on deposit. You choose the amount you'd like to add to your wallet. I'm going to choose 46,000. That's the money I'm choosing. I'm going to deposit from my mobile money 46,000. You click on continue. They'll ask me for the phone number, which is here. I'm typing the phone number now. You select the provider, Airtel Uganda. You continue. So confirm your deposit of UGX 46,000 to your wallet. Deposit amount is 46,000. The mobile type is Airtel Uganda Limited. The phone number, transaction fee is 690, and then the total cost is 46,690. And then you click on confirm. Takes a few seconds. You successfully initiated a deposit. Check your wallet. Here we are. They've sent me a notification on my phone to enter my PIN to confirm the payment. So that's what I've done recently. So thank you for confirming the PIN. You will receive the notification shortly. So you can click here done. So just in a short while, our account is going to be credited. Right now we still have 72. Just a short while, it's going to increase by 46,000. Hold on a bit. Briefly, you can go to the transactions if you feel like. But just give it a few seconds. It's loading. It's loading. Go to transactions. Here we are. Deposited it here just a minute ago. Here we are. 46,000 deposit, status complete, transaction fee 690, transaction rates 3,561. So our money has been deposited. It's supposed to show here. So now it is supposed to show under UGX. So after that, click on UGX. Here we are. So our money has been deposited finally. As you can see, the Ugandan shillings is 45,000. Remember, they took some small money was used for the fees. As you can see, the transaction Ugandan shillings is 45. Some money. So when you want to buy Bitcoin, you can click on Bitcoin down here. The current price right now is 49,857.79 US dollars. That's the current price. So I go to trade, I click on trade. As you can see, there is buy with cash, sell for cash, send to someone, receive. So I'm going to buy with cash. Are we together? So as you can see, I can buy. My available balance is 45,000. So I'm going to buy Bitcoin worth 40,000. I just want to leave a balance. So I'm going to buy Bitcoin of what? 40,000, as you can see. So you type in 40,000, continue. Confirm your purchase of 0.0022526 BTC. Purchase amount is 0.000222526. The price the price I'm buying at is 49,978. The exchange rate is at 3561.94. Transaction fee is 0. Total cost is going to be 0.0022526 BTC. Payment method is Uganda shillings wallet. Confirm. Just a few seconds. And then you've bought, I'll be buying BTC worth. Purchase successful, as you can see. Awesome. We completed your purchase of 0.0002256 BTC. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have just bought Bitcoin worth how much? 40,000. As you can see, my amount of Bitcoin has increased. Remember, it was at 004, it has increased. So if you go to transactions, it's going to be showing here. It's here, bought Bitcoin. As you can see, the two, I have bought Bitcoin and then also deposited. So I bought Bitcoin just a few moments. Here we go, 0.0022532 Bitcoin. Transaction type is purchase. Status complete. The transaction ID, then the price is 177 million. As you can see, cash value is 40,000, and then that's it. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Uganda. It's as easy as this. So if you would like to purchase maybe worth $10 of Bitcoin, you can easily do this. It's so easy, as I've just explained to you. So if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you as you wait for the next videos. And always subscribe. In case you have any question or you're stuck while using the app, you can comment on my video. Thank you.